Chapter 1, Blue Box 16. In this video, we will learn how to delete a worksheet, add a worksheet, and change the color tabs that are listed or shown at the bottom for our worksheets, as well as change the name of worksheets. So first, let me say something important about deleting worksheets. This cannot be undone. Once you have deleted it, the undo Command Z or coming up to the to our quick toolbar won't allow you to undo something that you've done when it's deleting a worksheet. So whenever deleting worksheet, I recommend hitting the save button once to ensure that you have in fact saved the worksheet. If something goes wrong, you can close Excel without saving and return to the moment right before you deleted a worksheet. In this case, though, we are going to delete our worksheet, sheet 1. We will come down to sheet 1, and if we're using a mouse, we will right-click. If we're using our touchpad, we can two-finger tap. When you two-finger tap, it should give you a menu of choices, and one of them is delete. Again, make sure that you have deleted the worksheet that you intended. And if at this moment you have not, close Excel without saving and open it back up. We have done the correct one, so we are fine. We're going to hit the plus because now we're going to add a worksheet. The names of the worksheets aren't particularly useful. You will notice that it will be the word sheet followed by a number. The video that comes with the book for Windows will show sheet 4. It has to do with just sheet plus the next number in a sequence. For us, it's showing sheet 1, and that's fine. Neither one of those is particularly interesting of a name. So if I want to change sheet 1's name, I can double click. And when I double click, you'll notice I have the ability to change the name. I'm going to call this worksheet Saturday. Now, we have also the ability to make the worksheet tabs stand out a little more by changing their color. So the alternative way I could have changed the name of this worksheet is also going to be the same way I get to changing the color. I will right-click if using a mouse, two-finger tap my touchpad if not. And when you get that quick menu, you'll notice that there are a list of quick menu choices for us. One of them is rename. If I clicked rename here, it would do the same thing as double clicking. It would allow me to begin to change the name of the worksheet, its name in the tab. In this particular case, you'll also notice we can come down here to tab color. And when we highlight over tab color, we'll then change the Saturday tab to blue accent 5. Let me say a little something about the way in which the colors are named. The colors are named based on the theme that is selected, meaning blue accent 5 is not that one. It's actually out here to the right. It's the second blue. When they tell you blue accent 5, you're looking for colors across the top row. That color could change if you use a different theme, but it'll still be called accent 5. And then we have lighter and darker versions. So this is lighter by 80%. Sometimes it says blue accent 5 lighter 80%. Sometimes it just says blue accent 5 20%. So if it's lighter, think of it as being they've lightened it up 80%, but if it just says 20%, that means it's the same color. But again, they're going to be ordered in this way all the way down to down here, blue accent 5 darker 50%. So they've lightened and darkened these colors here. And for us, I will always tell you where the color is located. So for example, in this case, for blue accent 5, I'll tell you it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's the 9th cell in that top row for the color. Just simply click on that. And you notice the Saturday is now the color blue. You will also notice that an activated worksheet's color tab will look different than when it is not activated. So I'm going to change the Friday tab to actually be orange accent 2. And you'll notice that when I activate Friday by double tapping or using a two-finger tap on Friday, the blue is also going to change closer to what that blue looked like in that tab color. Now you can't see it, but you will once I'm finished. So we're going to go to orange accent 2. Again, if you hold the hold for a second and hover over top of the color, it'll tell you exactly what it is. And so we're going to select orange accent 2 for this one. Notice again, my Friday is that darker blue. And if I click on documentation, you'll notice that Friday is now that darker orange and Saturday is that blue. So that's all we needed to do for the for Blue Box 16, Chapter 1.